So this is the ukli, okay, and I'm grinding like this, and it's so much fun, grinding and the things, the dosa and or the idli or the vada which you prepare will be very very tasty. And my mom's habit was, she never used to eat food or masala which we used to grind in mixer. She used to grind it by herself like this, and she used to prepare. And I also was searching for a very good stone grinder. I got it from somewhere. I brought it, I cleaned it very nicely. See, I'm grinding it from my own hands. This is the mash ki dal, that is urad dal, which I am grinding for the idli vada and for the dosa batter. I will grind it nicely and I will keep it overnight so that for tomorrow I can make the dosas. I love to grind like this, and I love eating grinding from my own hands, and you will not know what is the taste of this. I will prepare and show, and I will eat and show. I will take a bite and show how tasty these vadas and dosa will come. Very nice recipes. That too, stone grinder is a very authentic old method, but very healthy food will be prepared by grinding. And if you grind in this and make food, prepare your food, add your masalas in this. Look at the vada. I have not added little bit of water also. I am enjoying this. And by the way, you'll get to do a lot of exercise also from your hands. From how many days I was searching this, this stone grinder. I couldn't get one. I have two. That my mom had taken two. My childhood stone grinder, that is still is there with batta, and ukli also is there. But my brother has taken and kept that. He's not giving us. He's thrown it and kept somewhere. But here I am utilizing this. I bought this, I washed it, I cleaned it. Now today I am using this to grind the vada paste and dosa paste. I'll make a fine paste. I'm enjoying it. I'll add a little bit of salt also. I myself am taking the video also, and I'm showing you guys. That is how authentic also is. This is very authentic also. And in mixer grinder, no, you have to add a lot of water. But here no need to add a lot of water in this. You can keep grinding also, and the paste will not be watery. It will be thick. Look how I am grinding. Saw you guys? I love grinding like this. See, so nice the masala is coming. Sorry, the paste is grinding. I'll make vadas also in this. I'll keep little bit and I'll grind and keep little bit for vadas and add little bit for the dosas. Another thing, usually people what they do, they add rice more and they put urad dal, mash ki dal very little. But here in my case, I add mash ki dal more, urad dal, so that whatever backaches we have or any type of aches we have, that aches will go away, because it is very healthy and very good for our body, and it's very healthy also. See, this is the way of grinding. You have to keep pushing like this, and you should keep grinding. So this is the, it will take another half an hour for me to grind, because I have some more over here. You can see I have grinded this and kept, so from my own hands. आप कितना मेहनत पड़ के खाओगे उतना ही टेस्ट भी आएगा, और आपको बॉडी के लिए भी इट्स वेरी हेल्दी फूड. So I recommend all people, every individual, every ladies, house ladies, instead of using mixers, use this authentic method, tasty and healthy food. You get to eat tasty and healthy food. You have to थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. You have to work little bit hard because you have to grind this. But आपका पसीना भी निकल जाएगा और आपको टेस्टी फूड भी मिलेगा खाने के लिए. ठीक है. ये जो छुप गया है कहीं जाके, ये सिस्टम जो पहले लोग जो है हमारी दादा परदादा, हमारी माँ, ये सिस्टम यूज़ करके पुराने लोग पकाते थे, ग्राइंड करके अपने टेस्टी खाना बनाते थे. पत्थर से पीसी हुई चीज़ है, आपको टेस्ट भी देगी और मेडिसिन का करेगी, और आपको आपकी एक्सरसाइज भी हो जाएगी इसमें. ठीक है. तो मैं फिनिश करती हूँ. ये जस्ट आपको दिखाना था, ये जो सिस्टम जो मर गया था, कहीं खो गया है ये सिस्टम पीस कर पकाने का. सिर्फ मिक्सर ग्राइंडर ये सब यूज़ कर रहे हैं ना, तो मेरे को ये अच्छा दिखा. ग्राइंड करके पका के खाइए, बहुत टेस्टी रहेगा. इसमें की डोसे, वड़े सब अच्छे आएंगे आपको, और इसमें पानी भी डालने की कोई ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. ठीक है. देखा, और थोड़ा टाइम, और थोड़ा देंगे टाइम तो इट विल बिकम इनटू स्मूथ, फाइन स्मूथ पेस्ट. लेकिन उड़द दाल है ना, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. ओके. सो आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ नाउ. आयशा रहमान फ्रॉम आयशुका किचन. आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ. आई विल प्रिपेयर एंड शो यू द डोसाज एंड अपलोड इट ऑन यूट्यूब, इंस्टा, FB and etc. So this is Aisha Rahman here signing off from Aishuka Kitchen. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Don't break anybody's heart, because the curse of that person will never leave you till you die. Okay. Anyways, जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर. दुआ में याद रखिए. अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.